So how have you guys changed since middle school?
We were pretty big middle schoolers.
We had really red cheeks. And looked like grapes.
Stop. Don't ask that question.
You can't hug.
We've been best friends since like 3rd grade, but we can't hug. Don't touch me.
How have I changed since middle school? Well, because I've become far crazier. I'm no longer, I guess, shy. I'm outgoing now. High school has really taught me to enjoy the people around me for what they're worth and not hide.
Puberty. Definitely a big part. Got my voice a little bit lower.
I wear a leopard skin toga.
And here's some hair.
What hair?
I tell jokes. And I no longer wear floral dresses and sneakers, and that's a plus.
Well, first off, I think you can tell by the voice and the beard. Maturity-wise, I'm about the same.
Oh, Mom!
So, not much.
Yeah, my style's changed and I'm a little more outgoing and my friends have changed, but
Yeah, friends, right. Yeah, that's changed a lot.
Here is Joe, the boy who loves to eat bacon.
Favorite food?
Bacon, yeah. Still eat bacon a lot. Yeah, still love it. Best food ever, I guess.
My balls dropped.
Well, I used to be an amateur puppeteer. I used to, you know, tour Southeast Asia. I like Cambodia and Laos, and I would do Muppets for the natives, and they dig that. I mean, that was their stuff right there. I was a puppeteer with a Jufro.
Well, have you seen me when I was a freshman? Check that out. Look a little different, lost about a pound of hair, and I'm not as lanky at all.
So JD doesn't wear sweater vests anymore.
And Natalie wears the same clothes as...
I've been back wearing the same jeans that I wore in 8th grade.
Yeah. We haven't changed much. Still best
We
friends.
do different things on the weekends.
Yeah.
We don't make movies as much, but we go to movies.
Yeah, and we still,
we dance a lot.
Yeah, we hang out on the weekends still. Is there anything you want to know about us?
No.
I guess maybe I'm like 10% less dweeby than I was in middle school. No, I just said 10%.
Yeah, I was gonna say. My voice has gotten deeper.
Call up Ben. Yo, Kelly, what's the deal? I really must tell you how I feel.
My voice has also gotten deeper.
Yo, man, Macaholic, West Sylvan, 07. Peace out, dog.
I don't know, not much though. My friends are pretty similar. I've got more friends though.
What about your modeling days? Do you want to still strike a pose so we can compare?
I'm trying to forget about that.
So what will you miss about Lincoln?
It was pretty nice to hear like random music in the halls, like guitar and stuff. We had a free TriMet pass, so I could go who knows where after school. Just nicely situated, plenty to do. Nice place to go for 4 years.
I'm gonna miss all the people who, like, I'm not really good friends with, but you need to see around, you have more conversations with. I miss those people.
What about your actual friends?
Yeah. Well, it's nice because, like, in the modern world, you know, going to the other side of the country doesn't mean you don't have to talk to anyone anymore. So, it'll be fun. I'll still be able to be friends with Greg.
Yep.
And Max. Hey, Max.
I'll miss hanging out with people who can do analysis like that, knowing that the entire school's gonna watch it.
Oh God, I'll miss everything. I mean, just these hallways that make you feel like you're in a cave somewhere. These bathrooms that have one-ply toilet paper and break and I'm sorry.
I will miss doing announcements on the PA system and just having like lunch in the hallway with all your friends and being able to like see them and stuff.
School system and almost everything. It was my best year ever, really. was awesome.
Mr. Lynch.
Mr. Lynch. Mr. Lynch. And I'm gonna miss how like familiar everything is here, because like you get really comfortable and you kind of feel like a sheep walking down the hall every day, but then you realize you're not gonna know where everything is next year, and it's kind of sad.
I'm gonna miss the Lincoln environment, just everybody being together, like flock, stuff like that. It's gonna be miss that, but looking forward to the future.
I'll miss seeing all the teachers and like the little routine and probably just the little things like seeing people and saying hi. And, I won't miss seeing the Cardinal, the mascot walking around. That freaks me out. I will not miss that, but everything else I'll miss.
When we live in Portland, We get all of the best with the green in every scene. It'll never be messed. And the kids who don't like it, we'll show them that they're wrong. We'll smoke them like some salmon and put it in a song. We live the music scene and climb Mount Hood. You can take